With various technological advancements in the field of infrastructure, it is essential that we keep up to the modern construction practices to optimize project completion process. In recent times, the steel construction industry has modernized its traditional methods of manual fabrication and embraced the automatic mechanism for this. In wake of this transition, the Siemens Steel Construction Company has developed an automatic steel beam assembler that completely assembles a steel structural part, right from scanning the attached parts to welding them at appropriate locations on the main member. However, this Siemens steel beam assembler accepts the input data in XML format only. In order to help structural designers, detailers, and construction companies to be able to maximize their production, by use of this automatic steel beam assembler, Bentley's ProStructures Connect Edition has offered a robust solution to overcome this hurdle. We now have the capability of creating this NC and XML data from within ProStructures and then export this directly to the Siemens machines. The ProStructures data will carry all vital information like group position number, length, name of the part and material, along with the attached parts description, location, rotation with respect to the global coordinate system of the Siemens steel beam assembler. The XML file generated from ProStructures will be fed to the Siemens machines and it will read the information and begin to scan the main part of the group along with the parts to be attached. After recognizing all individual parts of the group, it will start to weld and attach the parts to the main member. Thus, with the accurate input data from ProStructures, you will be able to automate your fabrication process and achieve highest quality in assembling of members and also reduce project timelines, enabling you to deliver ahead of schedule.